Platelet activating factor. Introduction. Platelet activating factors, that is PAF, is a lipid mediator that is well known for its ability to cause platelet aggregation, inflammation, and allergic response at very low concentration, approaching picomolar. Platelets. Platelets are tiny blood cells that help your body form clot to stop bleeding. If one of your blood vessels get damaged, it sends out signals that are picked up by platelets. The platelet then rush to the site of damage and form a plug or clot or repair the damage. Function of platelets. Role of platelets in the circulation. First one, surveillance of blood vessels continuity, that is check endothelial lining of for gaps and breaks. Fill in small gaps caused by separation of endothelial cells. Second one, formation of primary homeostasis plug. Third, surface for coagulation factors to make secondary homeostatic plug. Fourth, aid in healing injured tissue. Platelet functions, adhesions, activation and shape change, secretion or release, aggregation. Mechanism of action. In pharmacology, the term mechanism of action, that is MOA, refers to the specific biochemical interaction through which a drug substance produces its pharmacological effect. A mechanism of action usually includes mention of the specific molecular target to which the drug binds, such as an enzyme or receptor. Clinical Clinical use. Relating to or based on work done with real patients, of or relating to the medical treatment that is given to patient in hospitals, clinics, etc., requiring treatment as a medical problem, of or relating to a place where medical treatment is given, of or relating to a clinic. What is platelet activating factor? Platelet activating factor is a potent biochemical mediator that exerts its effect in a variety of cells and tissues. Platelet activating factor, also known as PAF, PAF ether or AGEPE, that is acetylglyceryl ether phosphoryl chlorine, is a potent phospholipid activator and mediator of many leukocyte functions including platelet aggregation, degranulation, inflammation and anaphylaxis. Continue. It is also involved in changes to vascular permeability, the oxidative burst, chemotaxis of leukocyte as well as augmentation of arachidonic acid metabolism in phagocytes. PAF is produced by a variety of cells, but especially those involved in host defense such as platelet, endothelial cells, neutrophils. Synthesis of PAF. PAF is synthesized from precursor phospholipid present in cell membrane by the following reaction. That is membrane acetylglycerophosphocholine converted to lyso-PAF in the presence of enzyme phospholipase A2. Then lyso-PAF converted to PAF in the presence of enzyme PAF acetyltransferase. The second step is rate determining step and rate limiting step. Antigen antibody reactions and a variety of mediators stimulate uh, PAF synthesis in calcium dependent manner on demand. There are no performed store of PAF in contrast to eicosanoid, the type of cell which synthesize PAF is a quite limited, mainly WBC, platelet and vasculars. Degradation of PAF. PAF is degraded in the following manner. PAF converted to lyso-PAF in the presence of enzyme PAF acetylhydrolase. Then lyso-PAF is converted to acetylglycerophosphocholine. that is get incorporated in the membrane in presence of enzyme acetyltransferase. So PAF is platelet activating factor and lyso-PAF is lysophosphatidylcholine. Choline. Thank you.